ArcherSage here. Just want to make a video about the Himawari satellite that supposedly takes images of Earth all the time. Joe Rogan's a big fan. He believes that proves the globe Earth. If you go to this website, which Jaronism provided in one of his most recent videos, you can actually see some of the raw images, not just raw images, but transparent background images and many other things before we see the final product of the Himawari images. They are not in any way raw files. Now here's the index. When you get to this website, what you want to do is click the parent directory, and it'll take you here into all these supposed satellite images. And if you click Himawari, this will come up. And by the way, there is where it says the air mass outline. There are literally cloud maps and continent maps that are transparencies that those are overlaid over a 3D globe model. You can check those out too. Now, here is the RGB air mass link. If you want to go here, you can do that yourself. And basically what these are going to show are color images of the entire Earth, but they do not show any continents whatsoever. No continents, just colors and wind. Now this is the first image they uploaded today. You can see the date, 12:05 a.m. So just 5 minutes after midnight. So this is the very first image they uploaded today from this folder. You can go check this out yourself. And here's the image you get. Does that look like an image to you? I mean, there are no continents. There is nothing at all. Just colors and wind and air and weather. All these things are computer generated, which I've shown the epic images do the same thing. And now we're going to go into the simple contrast folder. And we're going to do the same thing we just did. We're going to go to the very first image uploaded today. You see it's at the exact same time as the other one was uploaded. And this image is basically going to have the exact same weather, but this time it's superimposed over the Earth. So this is what the public actually gets. This is what we get. This is the final product. You see the background is black, but if you go through many of these folders, you'll see the background is actually transparent. They superimpose the Earth later over a black background and put these side by side. These are exactly the same weather patterns. Exactly the same weather patterns. And on the right, that is not a real image of the Earth. It can't be. Just look at that. I mean, you tell me they can just take pictures and just capture weather and capture nothing else? Not to mention, the Earth, half of it's dark, yet on the right, you can still see all the weather patterns, even in the side that's supposedly, in darkness. So all they're doing is superimposing weather patterns over a 3D globe model, just like the epic images do, which I've proven. The Center for Climate Weather Simulation does the same thing. And the final product, if you raise the brightness enough, look at this. This is not composite strip data. They're not taking, vertical images at 22,000 miles away and combining them into one shot. They shouldn't be. It's it's everybody's understanding that these images are taken of the entire Earth at one time. So what's this about? What's all this? So if you keep going through these folders, you'll actually get images like this, which is not an image. It just looks like Google Earth, really. And it's just weather maps. So please go through and look at these, because I'm worried that these are going to be taken down before we can actually get a hold of more images.